Over here. We're in the middle of nowhere in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and we're gonna go see one of Michigan's most famous waterfalls. You guessed it, Tequamanon Falls. We've been there before, but we're gonna do it again. So, drop. Don't eat rocks. Don't eat rocks. Okay, come here. Hop up. Blue has flat teeth because he eats rocks, so. Anyways, let's get rolling. Bubby, are you excited to see Tequamanon? You've already been here. You're an old pro. You've already done this. You already been here, seen that, Blue. You know, you're a really well-traveled dog. How do you feel about that? Do you even care? Definitely gives you cool points. Just saying. You're welcome. He's not impressed by me. He's falling asleep, so. All right. Let's hope that there is an open camping spot in the Tequamanon Falls Campground, because it's literally one of the only places in the UP that has an open campground right now because it's winter. So let's hope they've got a spot for us. Welcome to the Lower Falls. Thanks. Happy to be here. Parking information and camping is this way. Are you closed? Walk-in campers. No reservation, use yellow phone to register and pay with a credit card. What phone? I got two phones, one for the plug and one for the look. Oh! Oh, cute. Okay, let me get out and figure this out. It looks like I have to buy a recreation pass and pay for a campground. Don't they know I'm roaming on a budget? Is that the way to a call? Like what? Use phone. Wait, what did it say? Use yellow phone. Do I dial something? Do I pick it up and someone's on the other end? I'm so confused. Use yellow phone. Okay, I will, but like, what do you want me to... Who do I call? Oh, it's dialing. You're welcome. I said thank you for calling. You're welcome. Hi, I am trying to buy a campsite for the night. Which park? The Tequamanon Falls Lower Falls? Yeah, in the Hemlock, it looks like, campground. Good job. Just one night. I technically have a tent, but I also can camp in my car, so I might just camp in my car. Also, just anything, like, kind of secluded, like, not by, like, toilets and stuff would be great. Yeah, you know what I mean? Just so. Less traffic, the better. Okay, sweet, awesome, that sounds great. It's roamingreckless@gmail.com. As far as getting wood goes, do I need to go to the general stores that I passed on the way in, or is there like a place here that I can get firewood from and stuff? That's okay. I'll probably just run up to the general store because I have like no service, so. Nope, that's it. Thanks, you too. Bye. Okay, whatever. Come on, bub. Let's go to our campsite. We're in a legit campsite tonight, Blue. How bougie of us. Hop up. First of all, there's no one in this campground, so this is gonna be fun. On a second note, campsite 150 is what she just booked me for, and it's covered in snow, so we might just be camping reckless here and picking our own spot. And I'm gonna go check it out because I don't get it. This is campsite 150. Like, ma'am, where? Like, this is 150? Like, that's my picnic table? How am I supposed to make it make sense? Like, where in the world is that? I am confusion. Pretty. I mean, I'm glad we're alone here. This is nice. This is nice. But my campsite is buried, so I guess I'm just gonna pick a new one. All right, Blue. Bubby, let's find a new camp spot. Pick a good one, child, would you? Like, ma'am. In what world? In what world? Well, this other site over here that I parked at is kind of cute, so I guess we'll just stay there. What number is this one? This is 106. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, I can clear that off. Here's our fire pit. Yeah, we'll just stay here. Do you agree, Blue? Cool, thanks for the support. Well, it's about dinner time, but I've got to clear that off, so let's get to it. Think it's a game, Bubby? Bubby. Looks good enough to me. Sun is about to set, so I'm gonna feed Blue and take him for a walk, and time kind of got away from us. We'll see you when it's dark out, because I've only got an hour to get stuff done, so I'm gonna go run and do that. We'll be back. It's times like this I wish I had brought a camping chair. Hot. Kind of cool being the only person in a campground. Don't you think, Bub? Yeah. Most people don't go camping in the middle of winter, but roaming reckless, you know what I mean? And to my OG subscribers who know me and my difficulties with making fires, just wait for tomorrow's video, okay? It's gonna be a good one. Ugh. It's currently 9:15, so I've locked us in for the night. I'm pretty much just gonna like edit for the next 3 hours, and Blue's gonna take a little nap. And then we'll crash and do it all over again tomorrow. Song of the night is Next to You by John Vincent III. You should go look it up, it's pretty good. Open Sesame, Premiere Pro, let's frickin' do this, dude. I got a lot of vlogs to edit in too little time, so no crashes, okay? I'm gonna really need you to get it together. Pull this in for, take one for the team. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm very tired. It's just one of those nights, you guys, where I'm like literally battling my computer and my gear, or not even my gear, my memory card. Whatever. So I'm just getting a little frustrated, but I've been editing for hours, so I'm about to call it a night after I finish this upload that I've got going on right now. And Blue and I are going to crash, so I'm really excited to be filming so much and to have so much content getting ready to go out, and like the plans I have, you don't even know. So I'm really excited to like be having so much to edit and to be filming so much. It's just kind of frustrating when my gear keeps like crapping out on me, but it is what it is. Technology, you know? I'm super tired. It's almost 1 in the morning, and Blue and I have our early morning tomorrow, and we have a lot to do. What are we doing tomorrow, Blue? What's on our schedule? Blue's been passed out this entire time. He's like whooped. What is on our schedule for tomorrow, baby? Do you know? Because I don't. I was hoping you were keeping track. Oh, that's right. That's right. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun one. Okay. Well, I'm gonna let this upload and then I'm just gonna knock out. So I'm just gonna let you guys go here. And you know the drill. We'll see you in the next one.